Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You would have seen an intro right about now, but it got deleted whilst editing. But in today's video, I'll be testing out Sophie X's Revolution palette, so stay tuned if you want to see it. It's really in there. Okay. Well, this is cute. It's like a matte. It's matte. And I love how the rose gold complements it as well. So this is what it looks like. I think this is the older one, I'm not too sure. And this is the colours inside it. I can swatch some for you. Oh, they're pigmented. Oh my days, someone is freaking mowing the lawn or whatever. So please ignore that if you can hear it. But anyways, the palette is gorgeous. It's so nice. There's a mixture of mattes and shimmers in it, and I like how it comes with white and black as well because they're staples as well. So today I'm going to try and create something, I don't know, spontaneous with her makeup palette. So let's begin. So I'll quickly just prime my eyes, and I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, but we're just going to freestyle and see what I come up with. So I'm going to go in with iced coffee first, and that's this one here. So I'm just quickly going to go in with iced coffee and then just pat it all over my eyelid. It's such a subtle colour, but it's so nice. And just put some underneath your waterline. Then get another brush. So I'm going to go in with pumpkin, which is this colour. Just put it just above my eyelid. I'm just putting it above my eye fold. So as you can see, my eye folds there. So I'm just putting it just above it. If it's in the fold, well basically if it was in the crease, then it would hide the colour. So we don't want that, we want it to be seen. So literally I'm just putting it over the top so you can see the difference. Then get a blending brush and just blend it so there's no like harsh lines. To be honest, I swear I always go for the same look. I love just like pinks, reds and yellows. I don't know why. I should try something new, but I'm always sticking to what I know. I've been trying to call this restaurant because I'm doing a mukbang with henna later, and they're not freaking picking up their call. So I'm thinking like we've planned this whole day to film together and they're not even picking up, so I don't know what to do with myself. So there you go. You can see that I've just blended everything out. I'm going to go in with a darker colour. So let me think what colour. So I'm going to go in with Danger now. So Danger is down in this corner here. Get some on your brush and then literally above your crease, I'm just going to darken that bit up. So just there. So it's not like I'm covering pumpkin up, I'm just putting it just underneath it. Oh, it's such a nice colour. I might add some black actually to it, to really darken it up. And then obviously cut the crease. I've really been liking cut crease recently. Not like I can actually do it, but it's a work in progress, as you can see. So literally blend, blend, blend. I don't really want any harsh lines, and I can see a harsh line there. So I'm just gonna blend. Oh yeah, sorry. So I'm literally just bringing pumpkin down underneath my eyes. You know when you just do makeup and you just in the world of your own and you forget that you're obviously recording a video. So, oh, my tongue's rumbling. So I'm just bringing it down there and then trying to darken up my outer corners. Yeah, definitely not. Anyway, this is just how I would do my makeup. The light keeps fluctuating because it keeps going from sunny to raining to sunny then raining. So I'm sorry if the light keeps brightening up and then darkening up. Get another brush and I'm gonna get some of the black, just a little bit, like on the touch, and then can you see, like, look how dark it is. So literally I'm just gonna darken up above my crease. Literally place it on and then blend. Get some more pumpkin and just blend it all in. There's just a lot of blending in this video. Lots and lots of blending. You can't really go wrong, I don't think. Well, let's hope. Let's not jinx myself now. Because I'm cutting it out, I'm cutting the crease out, so I just want it to darken up just above my eyelid. And yes, I'm heavy-handed. I know I am, so you don't need to tell me if I'm heavy-handed. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to go in with my concealer and just, like I did in the other video, I'm just going to cut my crease and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my crease out. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Strawberry Sweets, which is this colour at the bottom here. It's not going to focus, but it's this colour at the bottom here. And then apply it to just my inner corners. So I'm going to go in with Festive Flame on the middle of my eye. So this is Festive Flame. And then just, oh, this is gorgeous. Then just literally pat it in the middle of my eye. I'm just gonna put it over the top of my inner corner because I like this. So with the outer corner of my eye, I'm gonna go in with Rosewood, and this is the colour Rosewood, this one here. Just literally get a little bit and then darken up my outer corners. Actually, I'm going to mix Rosewood and Danger together just to darken it up. And then we blend. So I literally tapped a little tiny bit of black and I'm mixing it in with Danger, which is this colour here. And then just darkening out my outer corners again. For my my underneath bit here, I'm just going to go in with like a shimmery white, and it's called Fairy Lights. It's this colour here. It's the third one in from the top. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So just literally a little wing. Nothing excessive. I don't really like big wings. I don't think it suits me. Everything else in my life without you would be boring, and we'll spend
nights, cheap red wine. Look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go put some eyelashes on and I'll be back. So I've literally just put my lashes on and you can see how much lashes literally open up your eyes. Oh, I love these eyelashes. So again, like my other video, I'm gonna put mascara on and then crimp them. And that's it. This is the look that I created with the lovely Sophie X's palette. To be honest, I love it. Bitch, look at it. How gorgeous is it? See, I'm not a makeup artist. You know I'm not a makeup artist, but I didn't do so bad, did I? So that's me testing the Sophie X's palette. I loved it. I loved every part of this palette. The colours, the pigments, yes, it was so good. So if you want to purchase it, I purchased mine from Superdrug. So head on down to Superdrug if you want to try it. I do recommend it. It's actually a very nice palette. As you can see, I created some spontaneous look and it actually turned out alright, didn't it? But if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.